Hi everyone, this is Jespel Joy V. Malit from AB Psychology 2B. In this presentation, we will learn why is there a division between Global North and Global South. In the previous videos, we have learned that in the 1980s, the brand line was developed as a way of showing how the world was geographically split into relatively richer and poorer nations. According to this model, richer countries are almost all located in the northern hemisphere, and poorer countries are mostly located in the tropical regions and in the southern hemisphere. The North-South divide, or Global North and Global South, is a socio-economic and political division of Earth popularized in the late 20th century and early 21st century. Generally, definitions of the Global North is not exclusively a geographical term, and it includes Australia, Canada, Western Europe, Israel, Japan, New Zealand, Singapore, South Korea, Taiwan, and the United States. The Global South is made up of Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean, Pacific Islands, and the developing countries in Asia, including the Middle East. The North is most likely correlated with the Western world, previously called First World, plus much of the Second World, while the South largely corresponds with the developing countries, previously called Third World countries, and Eastern World. The two groups are often defined in terms of their differing levels of wealth, economic development, income inequality, democracy, and political and economic freedom as defined by Freedom Indices. Today, the world is much more complex than the brand light depicts, as many poor countries have experienced significant economic and social development. However, inequality within countries has also been growing, and some commentators now talk of a global north and a global south, referring respectively to richer or poorer communities which are found both within and between countries. For example, West Asia is still home to the largest concentration of poor people in a single nation. It also has a very sizable middle class and a very rich elite. There are many